Teachers, we know it can be hard to transition back to school on a normal year, and this year is far from normal. So here are 5 tips to help you transition back to school during COVID. Create routine and structure. Consistent structure helps reduce student anxieties and helps with time management. Establish clear, consistent communication. Make it easier on students to track assignments and ask questions. Anticipate students' needs. Recognize and validate that students are going to have mixed emotions when it comes to COVID in school. Create a plan to address anxiety. Practice your own self-care and integrate anxiety-reducing activities into the classroom. Continue to develop social-emotional learning. Consider activities and discussions that allow students to practice social-emotional skills like collaboration, communication, and empathy. For more information about any of these 5 tips and more resources for educators, check out our website at opheliasplace.net.